Hey, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Shawty, what you sippin'? You look so delicious. I hope you ain't gotta make us tonight. He gon' be trippin'. Know you like my breath.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, Alicia, and I am back with another Amazon Prime affordable lace wig unit. Shout outs to everyone who requested me to do this one. If you guys didn't see my last Amazon video, I did do one from Joedir and I purchased it with my own money, and a lot of you guys requested me to do this style, so I went ahead and I picked it up and we're gonna see what it do. So definitely check down below for all the information regarding this unit. I did pick up their lace front wig. As you guys can see, it does have a the hairline needs some work, but it does have a ton of parting space. It goes from ear to ear, 13 inches across and 4 inches back, so you do get a really long part in the middle, in the left, in the right, whatever you choose. And it does have those combs on the inside, so you do not have to glue it down if you don't need to. But I'm going to show you guys what I do to prepare my unit. But first, I want to show you guys how the hair comes directly out the pack. I didn't do anything to this. This is how it comes. So if it doesn't come looking like this, then sis, you might have a dirty wig. You can return it. Amazon has a really good return policy. A lot of you guys are like, oh, tell me how long the wig lasts. You know, how does it last? You can tell yourself that because they have a really good return policy. So definitely do your research, guys. Okay, do your research. But anyways, this is that hairline I was telling you guys about. I personally feel like it needs a little help. It's not thick, it's just too straight. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a good pair of tweezers. I will link it down below because you guys need a really good pair of tweezers. I do use my straight end and I kind of hold it like I would hold a pen, like I'm about to write, and then I pull going back. A lot of you guys are like, oh, it takes me hours to tweeze, because you're receding your hairline. What I'm doing is creating a more natural effect so that it looks natural and it looks like my natural hairline once I get the hair on. As you guys can see, this is how it looks. Again, didn't take me that long. It took me like 5 minutes. So if you're tweezing your hair for hours, sis, I'm sorry, but you're receding your hairline. You're damaging your wig. It's very easy. I'll probably do a video more in depth about it. But yeah, that's the amount of hair I did tweeze out. It is a lot of hair, but it didn't take me no time. So now I'm going to lay the front of the unit. I didn't want baby hairs today. You guys know I love my baby hairs, but today I was like, we're gonna do it without it. All right, so I'm taking my hot comb just to lay the perimeter, and I'm taking my 1-inch curling wand to get those curls to look nice and voluminous, because when I went through the hair, when I was removing the tweezed hair, I kind of, you know, I took away the curls and now I'm placing them back in the hair. If I didn't say it already, guys, this is a synthetic unit. However, this is a super high quality synthetic wig, and you can use high heat on this. And if you start experiencing tangling or matting, I will link a video down below to fix it so that you are definitely not wasting your coins. You can either do the boiling method that we saw from Glam Fam, or you can use a hot comb to fix your unit. Trust me, guys, it works. Alrighty. But I went ahead and I cut off that lace. I do have some videos showing you guys how I cut off the lace. I do rock the scissors back and forth to get an imperfect look. As you guys can see here, it's not a perfect straight look, even though it kind of looks like it is, but it's really not. I do it like that so that when I place the wig on, it doesn't look fake. It looks more natural, okay? But I know some of you guys are going to ask, how do I adhere the wig down? I do not use any got to be or the ball cap method. Listen, I'm young. When I turn 40, I want my edges still. So I don't do all that, you know. But, you know, no disrespect for anyone who does. Sis, do your thing. Do what works for you. I just prefer not to, okay? But now I'm going to go ahead and melt that lace into my skin. So I take my mineralized skin finish in the color dark, and I just kind of blend in that lace so that you can't see it. And I take my LA Girl Pro Conceal and place it in the parting space so that it just transitions from my skin perfectly. And then I also take my edge brush just to kind of make those baby hairs look like it's my hair growing out. But yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and flatten the top. I like to use a curling wand. Again, it can be as hot as it can go and it does not melt the hair, just to make that hair look nice and flat on top. And I'm going through the wig now with a powder brush to make my curls look more voluminous and loose and really pretty and full. And this is how my unit looks. I mean, sis, tell me this isn't cute. I really love this style. This is a body wave. I think it's perfect for, you know, the spring and the summer. It's just giving me just, I don't know, like summer vibes, and I love it. If I didn't say it already, the length on this unit is like 24 inches. I'm 5'8", so it is pretty long, okay guys? You can cut it if you choose to. However, I wanted to wear it long. I might cut it later. But yeah, look at the edges of this wig. You see how good it looks? But of course, you do not have to do any tweezing if you don't want to. That's just how I do, you know? I like to make my units look natural. I like my hair to go out of my face, you know? Yeah. But anyways, guys, I know some of you guys are going to ask, is this big head friendly? I always forget to say it. No, I do not think this unit is big head friendly. My head is really small and it's really snug on my head, so I do not recommend this for big heads, okay? But anyways, guys, check out this unit from Joedir on Amazon Prime. This one was under 50 bucks. Let me know what you guys think of this one, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye, guys.
All the dudes wanna take her home on the low. I was the only one texting the phone. I'm like, girl, get it, I'll be back in a minute. About to hit the hotel today. Can't be alone. And it's gonna be the bomb. Today is your birthday. Let me know what you want. I wanna